Imagine creating professional, studio-quality videos with realistic AI avatars and voiceovers in over 160 languages, all without ever picking up a camera, hiring actors, or setting up a studio. Today, we're looking at Synthesia, the highly rated AI video platform that is completely changing how businesses create content. Synthesia is designed to help you turn simple text into fully produced videos in minutes. Whether you need to train your team, market a product, or scale your sales outreach, this platform lets you create, edit, collaborate, and translate your videos all in one place. One of their most exciting features right now is Dubbing 2.0, which makes localizing your content incredibly fast. In fact, global teams using the platform report turning what used to be a 4-hour production process into just 30 minutes, and translating 100 hours of content in only 10 minutes. Now, let's talk about what users think. While our detailed individual review sources today are limited, Synthesia holds an impressive 4.7 out of 5-star rating on G2 with over 2,000 5-star reviews. Users consistently praise how intuitive the platform is, saving companies up to 90% of the time and cost of traditional video production. Because detailed critical reviews are limited in our current data, we highly recommend testing the technology yourself to see if the avatar movements and voices meet your specific standards. The best way to do that is to try it out for free. Synthesia offers a free AI video generator tool on their website, where you can test the technology, and they'll send your finished video straight to your email in minutes. If you're ready to scale your video production, head over to synthesia.io to try it for free today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tools, and let me know in the comments what you think about AI avatars.